Pharmacy, a field that represents the queen and her existence of medicinal knowledge, crowned with the art of selecting and presenting suitable active pharmaceutical ingredients, in short, APIs, for therapeutic use, of course. Within the broader domain of pharmacy and pharmacology, there are several important streams. Today, I'll briefly discuss about three areas. First, pharmacotherapeutics. Second, clinical pharmacology. And final one is toxicology. Now, pharmacotherapeutics. Pharmacotherapeutics focuses on the application of pharmacological knowledge in the context of disease. It involves using information about drugs together with an understanding of disease process to achieve therapeutic outcomes. The primary objective is to use medicines for prevention, mitigation, or cure of the diseases, ensuring that the treatment strategies are both rational and patient-centric. Now, let's come to the point of clinical pharmacology. Clinical pharmacology is the scientific study of drugs in humans. This field integrates important concepts such as pharmacokinetics, how the body absorbs, distributes, metabolize, and eliminates drugs, and pharmacodynamics, which explains how the drugs exert their effect on the body. Now, clinical pharmacology also involves pharmacodynamic investigation in both healthy volunteers and patients, generating data set to evaluate the efficacy and safety of drugs, conducting comparative trials with other treatment options, monitoring the patterns of drug use and adverse drug reactions. The ultimate goal of clinical pharmacology is to generate evidence that provides a roadmap for the optimal and rational use of medicines in clinical practice. Now, final one is toxicology. So, it's a critical branch which studies the poisonous and harmful effects of drugs as well as chemicals. Toxicology doesn't deal with medicines only. It also examines the toxic substance that may be found in household products, environmental pollutants, industrial chemicals, agriculture compounds, and even the substance involved in accidental or intentional poisoning. This discipline emphasizes the detection, prevention, and the treatment of poisoning. At its core, toxicology reminds us a fundamental principle of pharmacology, which is the dose determines whether a substance acts as medicine